Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email address on Shoppay account. If you are looking for a way to change your email address on Shoppay, then watch the video till the end. The first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice. Now, once you get to the URL box, type in shop.app and search. You'll find yourself in the main homepage for Shoppay account. From the main homepage, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile picture. Now in the expanded menu, click Settings. Under the Account option, expand the button where it says Login and Security, and you will come across this interface where you can see that there is no change option where it says Email Address. So it means that there is no email change option within the account. Once you've created an account with an email, that will be your permanent email. You cannot change it to something else later on. But if you don't want to continue with this email and you'd like to choose a new email address for your account, then remember that you will need to delete your Shoppay account altogether and create a new account with the new email. So in order to delete your account, go to the Help option from the Account menu and click on it. Now select the Visit Our FAQ section option and go to Manage Your Shop account or something similar and click on it. Now go ahead and look for the option where it says Delete Your Shop account and click on it. Now it'll tell you how you can delete your shop account. You can also go ahead and follow through the steps shown on the screen or simply get to the direct link where you can submit your email address and delete your account. Click on the link provided at the bottom and this will take you to the Delete Account option for Shop. Now enter your email address that is associated with your Shop account, and once you do that, click on Submit Request. Now once you've submitted the request, your account deletion process will be completed. Look for an email from Shoppay, and once your account is deleted, you will be informed about your account deletion via email. Now that you've deleted your account, you can now go ahead and open a web browser and visit shop.app website. Once you get to the official site for Shop, go to the upper right corner and click on Sign In. In the Sign In area, go ahead and enter a new email address you are trying to create an account with or you are trying to change to, and click on Continue. After you enter the email of your choice, go ahead and follow through the CAPTCHA, complete it, and then you will now need to verify your new email. Go to your new emails inbox, no matter what email you are trying to proceed with. Open up the respective email inbox and you'll receive an email from Shop. Click Open the email and copy the code that you received in it. Get back to the Shop website and paste in the email code, or simply type it in as well, and you will be able to create a new account for Shop with the new email. So that is the only way you can change your email address on Shoppay currently. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.